Oh, shout out Bell. Oh, naka-break ka na ba? Coffee break. Up ka, dali. Up ka. Oh, shout out. Ayan. Oh, kantayin natin to. Another acoustic cover song for you. When I'm Gone. Albert Hammond. Wag na. Wag na. Wag na. Bakit wag na? Ayan. Welcome to Acoustic Lounge. Magandang hapon, guys. Alright. When I'm Gone, another iconic and classic and oldest but goodest song for you. When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep wearing your wedding ring when I'm gone? When I'm gone, will you take out all the photographs? Maybe spend a moment in the past when I'm gone. Will you miss me in the night? Will you once reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams? Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is new, and just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay, and someday, and after we both chase our fantasies, a love will bring you back to me. Amachi, Mami Lou, shout out. Beach Mon. I'll be thinking about you constantly, 'cause you're locked inside my memory from now on. And I know that we said we needed time apart, but your love keeps pulling on my heart, pulling strong. Will you miss me in the night? Will you once reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is new, si Ruru. Pretending I'm still holding you. Oh, alright, okay. A lovely song. When I'm Gone. That's the title of the song. Shout out sa inyo lahat.